In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Code Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and transfer any crypto asset that you have on Kraken to a Code Wallet of your choice. In order to do this, you need the receiving wallet's address. So, first, within Kraken, you will be able to input that wallet address when you choose the transfer option. So if you are doing this on the website, you go over to transfer at the left side of the screen with these arrows, and then you select withdraw. Now you will be able to choose the asset that you will be transferring, the network, and finally the wallet address itself. If you need to, choose the option to add a new withdrawal address. You will see this screen, and in here you can paste the Code Wallet address. If you still need to acquire this, then I'm also going to teach you how to do it. In order to get this Code Wallet address, you will have to use some sort of software for your specific Code Wallet. So for example, Ledger uses Ledger Live, which can be downloaded onto your PC, laptop, or even your phone. Depending on the wallet that you have, such as a Trezor, this process might be different. I'm going to be using Ledger as an example. Within Ledger, go over to Accounts and then choose the plus sign to add a new one. If you already have the account set up, then you can skip this, but then choose the asset that you will be receiving within the Code Wallet, and you will be given the wallet address right here. Now, what you can do is copy this address, and you will be able to input it within Kraken or any other exchange wallet right here. Immediately upon adding the wallet address, you can choose it from the list, so choose your Code Wallet here. And then once you have selected this wallet address, you can input the amount and finish this transfer. I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that everything was set up correctly, and then sending the rest to receive everything without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Code Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.